In this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be analyzing the price of Bitcoin to see where price is going, basically giving a technical analysis upon price action. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into Bitcoin, please do your own research as not a financial advisor. So as you can see here on the chart, you can see Bitcoin is currently up 0.24% at the time of recording, and it's looking good for Bitcoin. We're trading around 41.8k, and on the daily chart provided on coin market cap, you can see here that Bitcoin has pretty much been bullish toward the daily. We've been pretty much consolidating, and then from then onwards we did have the initial breakout towards upside, reaching the daily high of around 42.31k, which is really nice to see, getting closer towards the 45-50k mark, and we could possibly be in a really strong bull run. So if we check on the weekly to see how Bitcoin has been performing, you can see here that we were in an accumulation schematic which did occur. We did reach the weekly low of around 37.72k, and then from then onwards we did have the initial breakout towards upside, reaching the highs of around 41.5. And then from then onwards, we had a little, pretty much a pullback toward the downside, and then price gradually built itself back up towards the breakout area, and then from then onwards we've been bullish again. And even if we check on the monthly now, you can see here on the monthly we're back up into the green, which is really nice to see. Hopefully we can start reaching 45k. Once we do that, we should liquidate this area and make a new higher high. So if we go over to TradingView to have a bit more in-depth analysis, you can see here how Bitcoin has been playing out. We did have the initial, as predicted, that this liquidity would be taken out, and what occurred is liquidity pretty much all taken out. As well as that, we're roughly around this pretty much distribution zone. It looks like price is respecting the supply zone over here. We're just gonna have to wait and see on what price does. Hopefully we can liquidate this area first and possibly even reach that new higher highs. But till then, we're just gonna have to wait and see. I feel like price will have a little pullback if we draw a Fibonacci to see where price could possibly come back into. Let me just put it there, and if so possibly even this area. But in my opinion, where I feel like price could come back is to inside this demand zone over here. The main reason for this is the last bearish candle before the initial breakout. Pretty much liquidated this high, this lower high, this lower high, this lower high, this lower high, and pretty much made the breakout structure. So that is the main reason for this to be my strong demand zone essentially. But from then onwards, we should have initial rise towards upside, possibly even reaching the highs or around let me just say roughly around the 45k region. This is the main region. This is probably the strongest distribution schematic that did occur, and pretty much driven price towards the downside, reaching the lows of around 37.14k. But till then, we're just gonna have to wait and see. Hopefully next week we can become even more bullish. Even if we do check, let me just move this out of the way, and we check the weekly. Let me just get rid of the drawings. Yeah, so you can see here that we've now started to become bullish. Hopefully, yeah, and we closed as a full bull candle, which is really nice to see, as previously we only closed like pin candles essentially. So it's looking good, and price is respecting this demand zone over here, which is really nice to see for our Bitcoin. If you do go back and pretty much see on the 4 hour, even on the 4 hour, let's see where the 4 hour is. Yeah, you can pretty much see that we've pretty much analyzed it. So pretty much every day we keep analyzing to see where price is heading. But so far, I feel like price will definitely breach past this, and we should hopefully make a new higher high past this region, which is my main area in my opinion. I feel like, but you got to take into consideration that price will definitely liquidate this area. The main reason for this is that there is a very strong demand zone. This will pretty much get liquidated. This will pretty much get liquidated, and then from then onwards we should have initial pullback, but hopefully nothing too low, but roughly around the 45k possibly, and then we should possibly even start reaching the highs of around 50k, which would probably be the best idea. So even if we go back to CoinMarketCap to see how the overall market is doing, so you can see the overall market cap is 1.88 trillion, which is really nice to see. And the overall market is up by 0.55% at the time of recording. And you see here Bitcoin up 7%, Ethereum up 12.64% on the weekly, which is really nice to see for the overall crypto market. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs, and peace.